Good afternoon. It is Trump Tariff Tuesday, March 11th, 2025. I'm Patrick. I'm a disabled investor. I'm Canadian, and I'm up a little bit today to almost just shy of $86,000, which is still $8,000 less than I had on Friday. So, all in all, it's not a great trajectory. But I did take advantage of the turmoil today to buy a hedge against further declines in the value of my Nvidia stock. And what I did is I bought a put, which is basically an option that gives me the right to sell the shares that I have at no less than $100. I don't know that it's going to get that bad, but if it does, that option will be worth more than it is that I paid for it, and I may just sell it. It's a short call or short put. It compared to the other things that I've usually bought in long options, this one expires April 25th, and the reason I did that was tomorrow is another Trump tariff day, which is the day that steel and aluminum tariffs go on. Imports into the States, and that's going to affect Canada, and it's going to affect the world, and I think there may be more turmoil tomorrow. This was another one of those tumultuous days on the market. So anyways, that end on April 2nd, the tariffs against Canada and the auto industry and all that other stuff is supposed to go ahead. So I think we're in for more turbulence along the way. So what I did, I'm hoping it's going to pay off and at least give me that downside protection. So time will tell. But that's the big change today. Not up a whole lot of money. It's like $500 from where I closed at yesterday. So, I suppose it could have been worse. I'm grateful that it wasn't, but it is what it is. Anyways, tomorrow's tariffs are going to cause more trouble for Canada. So, elbows up. Here we go. Have a good one.